how I missed this show. You remember all the past episodes involving these characters? Tonight, in this episode, we're gonna draw. Well, I just started drawing these characters from the Nihao Kailan show. First up, we're gonna draw Rintoo. Basically, he's a tiger, and well, he's always the kind of kid who's always up for action, and well, mostly he's wild, not that wild. Well, wild enough to, but he is wild enough to create a huge splash. That's something. Basically, this kid is one of my favorites in the show, and well, it's been a long time since I've seen this character in action. Drawing this character is fast and easy. And before we're finished, there's only one last thing to draw, and that's his tail. And now to add the stripes. Complete. That's how you draw rintoo. That's all for now. It's alright, folks. We're going to draw all the characters from this series one by one. We're drawing all of Kailan's friends. That's all for now. Please like, rock, and subscribe to my channel, and get ready for more action. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.